This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, this is Atul. Welcome again in my YouTube channel Atul as Weapon. So today I will discuss in front of you like artificial intelligence. Many of the places everywhere in the education field, in the engineering field, everyone discussing about the artificial intelligence. But today I will discuss briefly artificial intelligence in the field of pharmacy and moreover the chances the people thinks about the artificial intelligence, how the involvement happening in the field of pharmacy, so in the drug discovery. So you can see here like artificial intelligence like in the drug discovery. Myself Atul Pratap Singh, I'm from PhD pursuing assistant professor in IMT College of Medical Sciences, IMT University Meerut. Also, I'm the director of NGViz Pharmaceutical Private Limited. So guys, let us start. Uh, what is artificial intelligence? Means first of all, we need to we need to understand about the artificial intelligence. So one by one, I will show each and everything, and I will discuss each and everything. Most of the time, all the things, all the photographs, all the matters, just extracted by the internet. Also, the photographs are the properties and talent of original creator and our right holders. All the images are taken from net. Thanks. So all over the things I have taken from the internet also. So don't mm, feel trouble. That's the thing is I have taken from many places. So one of the things that is I will go for the what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, according to the father of first of all, I will discuss in front of you like who is the father of artificial intelligence. So John McCarthy. It is what is artificial intelligence? This is the thing what we need to understand. First of all, we need to understand what is artificial intelligence. According to the name, like artificial, second one is intelligence. That those things I have made, that is artificial, not by the genetic or other things. So we will discuss here that the science and engineering and of making intelligent machines. That means clear. According to the definition, I have cleared each and everything. So the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. So if I will develop, if the people developed any machines, so if that type of science is called artificial intelligence. For example, like a computer works as a human, so we can say like that is artificial. Now this is artificial. For example, a JCB machine, that is machine. One more thing, that's fan is also artificial because when if I will go for the go previously, so handmade fan, that is also to be artificial. So this is called artificial. That means science and engineering of making intelligent machine is called artificial intelligence. Second one is artificial, refers to the ability of computer. So guys, don't be confused. That means overall, if I will discuss about the artificial intelligence, so I can say that the ability of a computer or a computer enabled robotic system to process information and reduce outcomes in a manner similar to the thought process of human in learning, decision making, and solving the problem. Guys, if I will just discuss about the artificial intelligence, so I can never be stay here without touching robot, the movie robot. The hero was Rajnikant. So same thing, that is artificial intelligence. So here, if in the robotic system, because that is operated by computer, so in a computer is also on a machine. So humans operated the computer. So computer enabled robotic system to process information and produce outcomes in a manner similar to the thought process of human in learning. That means if the robots have the capability to think, understand, make decisions, solve the problems. That is called artificial intelligence. So, moreover, the chances, if I will discuss many more, if you will stay or you have the community, like the people who are just research oriented, so you can discuss there what do you mean by the artificial intelligence. Moreover, the things I want to say here in front of you, like what do you mean by the artificial intelligence. The machine which is generated by the human, they have the capability to make decision, thought process of human learning, making solving problems, many of the things. That's overall the things executed in a particular system or any machine, that's called artificial intelligence. So the goals of artificial intelligence system is to develop system capable of taking complex problem in ways similar to human logic and reasoning. Overall, the thing is, if any system generated by the anyone, and he have capability to thought process of human learning, decision making, and solving problem, that's called artificial intelligence. So guys, we are discussing here the pharmacy field. Artificial intelligence in pharmacy fields. The artificial intelligence in pharma refers to the use of automated algorithm to perform tasks which traditionally rely on human intelligence. So guys, first of all, we can see here that's a automated algorithm, because we all know, if I will just discuss about the computer system, so they have the programming system. If I will make a particular program, then I can give the order through the programming. That's the performance of anything. So if I will make the program according to the performance of anything, so that will do by the computer. That is called artificial intelligence. So here, artificial intelligence in pharma refers to the use of automated algorithm to perform tasks which traditionally rely on human intelligence. Over the last 5 years, the use of artificial intelligence in the pharma and biotech studies has refined how scientists develop new drugs, track disease, and more. So, guys, the if I will discuss pharmacy, that means it shows like the system or discovery or development just connected or uh, uh, that's in initiated by the computer, because moreover the things like a structure of the particular molecule are made by computer system, or you can say the supply chain, that inventory control, each and everything just processed by the computer, that's called artificial intelligence. You can see here in the diagram. So each and everything. So I will discuss in our next slides. Over the last 5 years, the use of artificial. So same thing we can say here. If you will just commonly, I will take the common example. When you go into the hospital, there you can see there. Suppose in the medical store, for the pharmacy, the medical store, there have system originated everything. So if you go there, so you give the prescription to the pharmacist, and they uploaded each and everything in the system. After that, they gave you the medicines. So through the system, each and every data managed by the computer. So that thought process is called artificial intelligence also. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science dealing with solving problems using symbolic programming. Same thing, if I will design in a particular program, so sometimes we can say here that is artificial intelligence. Same thing, we can define here, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science dealing with solving problems using symbolic programming. It has evolved into a problem solving science and with application in business, engineering, and healthcare system. One application of artificial intelligence expert system development and expert system consists of a knowledge base and interference engine coupled with a user interface. A crucial aspect of expert system development is knowledge acquisition and implementing computable ways to solve problems. So here, if we will involve the systems, the things like we can say here, if you will go for diagnosis system, if you will go for the supply chain system, so each and everywhere computer system are machines involved there, and in the place of human beings we are using computer system or any machine through the network, through the operation, through the indication, through the programming, we can easy to operate any operations. So guys, there have been several expert systems developed in medicine to assist physician with medical diagnosis. Recently, several programs focusing on drug therapy have been described. They provide guidance on drug interaction, drug therapy, monitoring, and drug formulary selection. There are many aspects of pharmacy that artificial intelligence can have an impact on, and other reader is challenged to consider these possibilities because they may someday become a reality in pharmacy. So guys, here we can think, we can do each and everything through the, just if I will take the common example of particular doctor. So doctors, because nobody is a perfect in the world, so each and everything we need to refer the data from anywhere. Previously, if I will just discuss, previously when we have no machine, we have no data, uh, uh, data bank, so sometimes we need to study in our books, we need to refer anything from our books. So right now, through the computer, through the machine, if anything we need, suppose any prescription, like physician, nobody knows actually. Sometimes we can say like each and everything stored in a system, so after that when we need anything we can easy to uh, give command, after that get the result. So same thing in the diagnostic system, we need not to know about the things like what are the range, each and everything. If I will put the put our sampling system, if I will put our things into the system, after that that will give the prescription also. This is so sometimes we can say here like the system generated prescription we can get. Guys, this is the thing. After, in future, according to me, no need to any prescriber, no need anything, just go into the store and write their name of medicine, and uh, keep the just put the money. After that, like a ATM machine, you will fill their digit, after that you will get the money. So same thing here, write there the name of medicine. After that, when you will write, then after sometimes how much quantity you need, then fulfill the quantity of that medicine, so so you can easy to collect your medicine. So simple is that. This is called artificial intelligence. That means to reduce, to reduce the system, to reduce the things, or to reduce the efforts of human. After some time, that is everything originated by or generated by or uh, operated by computer also. That means the thing is to reduce the to reduce the work of human, to and get the chance to the computer or machine. That means the machines work as a human. That is called artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence as a game changer. So guys, you can say here in the, I have seen in the Wikipedia defines artificial intelligence are in healthcare as a technology that uses algorithm. Algorithm, that means programming. Algo, suppose those people who belong from the computer background, and we have also studied in the computers in the first year, so we can easy to understand what do you understand by the algorithm. So algorithm and software to approximate human cognition in the analysis of complex medical data. The primary aim of health-related artificial intelligence application is to analyze relationship between prevention of treatment techniques and patient outcomes. Artificial intelligence programs have been developed and applied to practices such as diagnosis process, treatment protocol development, drug development, personalized medicine, and patient monitoring and care, among others. These are the things that means practices each and everywhere involve the machine or computer system. So if I will just discuss about the current state of artificial intelligence in healthcare, So artificial intelligence can be of real help in analyzing data and representing results that would support decision making, solving problems, saving humans effort, time and money, and thus help save lives. So sometimes same thing, I will take the another example of that one. So when suppose in a particular bank, if I will take the example of bank, so if there have the human beings as the cash counter, so they need time to count the money. After that they make the bill, that he received the receipt, each and many process they are doing. But in the computer system, or we can say like ATM, we can just put the digit. After that, after some time, or even a few minutes and a few seconds, we'll get the money. So same thing here in the diagnosis process. You can see here right now all the diagnosis possible only because of the machine or computer system. So AI can be of real help in analyzing the data and presenting results that would support decision making. Right now, we need not to uh, interpreting the data, each and everything pre-generated, everything settled into the computer, everything predefined, each and every range is fitted on the machine, each that's stored into the through the processing, through the programming, each and every data filled are set up into the computer. After that, when we need, we give the input, or we can say simple, if I will take the another common example of like blood sugar test diagnostic, so we need what, one drop of blood. After that, when that one drop of blood, we take the strip of blood sugar. So we keep our droplet into the slip, or uh, strip. So we will put into the machine. After that, what are the blood sugar available in our blood sugar is available. So each and everything we will get the result from that one. So same thing. So time and money, everything that will protect our through these are all possible because of the machine or computer system. Medical and technological advancement that have helped healthcare related development of artificial intelligence include overall evolution of computers, resulting in faster data collection and more powerful data processing, growth in the availability of health related data from personal and health related devices, and the development of pharmacogenomics and gene database, expansion of industry adoption of electronic healthcare. So here, if the machine take place of human, that's called artificial intelligence. Natural language processing and advancement in computing that have enabled machine to replicate human certain processes. In 2011, IBM estimated that the entire healthcare domain and approximately 161 billion GB of data. Think how much data is in the domain today. So with significant amount of data available, artificial intelligence in position to become a game-changing opportunity to improve care. If right now we need any data, we need any range, we need any documentation, we need any interpretation, we need any process, we need any method, each and everything available in the data. Lots of data is available. PubMed, we can go there and research. So we need any article, each and everything is available here. So we need, suppose we have diagnosed anything, so after some time we need to clarify that that is correct or not, so we can easy to refer from our data bank. So the data available, artificial intelligence position to become a game changing opportunity to improve care and curb the current trend of unstable healthcare spend. Current technology and its algorithm enable of complement human interaction with patient today in our current technology and its algorithm. So thing is availability of right now the current status of the things, computer is involved each and everything everywhere. The algorithm made by human beings are me. So that the thing is just related to that one. Suppose we need to move in a particular things like this is involuntary now. Sometimes like our eyelids. Certainly, if anything, this coming inside of this coming towards my eyes after some time. So the data uh, things suddenly it closed. So the thing in my mind generated, how is it possible that? So the thing is, if these are all the decision making system, if I will inbuilt into the computer system, that's called artificial intelligence. So current technology and its algorithm enable and competent human interaction with patient today. In our current distributive platform for technology, administrative and clinical healthcare function are not well coordinated, and in many cases are handled manually with some degree of success. With artificial intelligence and enabling technology, a single platform would collect data from various disparate databases and would sense, understand. So the thing is, overall, supporting healthcare initiate relating to the prevention and treatment plans in real time. As healthcare value-based outcome demand continue to significantly grow, healthcare manpower will be positioned to respond with AI tools. So uh, each and every day, our population is also increasing now. So simple is that we need to generate the artificial intelligence to make the compliance. So easily we can easy to provide the facility to the peoples. So that for that one we need artificial intelligence. So current use cases in the physician space, artificial intelligence from technology companies like Microsoft is breaking into the healthcare industry by assisting doctors in finding the right treatment among the many options for cancer, capturing data from various databases relating to the condition. Artificial intelligence is helping physician identify and choose the right drugs for the right patients. So if I will just discuss here, so actually the thing is, in our country, lakhs of millions of pharma industries are available, and for the artificial intelligence, for the patent system and other things, each and everyone fighting each other, the fights available in each other. So why? Because everyone wants to get the things before. So that's why in the pharma space, artificial intelligence working with researchers supporting the decision making process for existing. Everyone wants what. So I will generate. I will develop the system before all. So that the thing we will execute here. That is, pharma is even working to predict with certain accuracy when where epidemic outbreaks might occur using artificial intelligence learning based on a history of previous outbreaks and other media sources. In the hospital space, artificial intelligence being used to prevent medical errors and reduce hospital readmissions by analyzing patient. Suppose this is the good thing. That is possible right now. Suppose any patient came before, so you don't have the data, but if that data is available in your system, so when you will put their name after that, all the things, all the history is just available in front of you through the computer system or programming. That's called art of, you can say like also that is artificial intelligence. By analyzing patient data from medical and medication error, readmission not causes and other internal and external databases, AI will one they identify and prevent high risk patients from developing complications, provide prospective care guidance and diagnostic support, among many other clinical applications. Additionally, artificial intelligence will be useful workflow optimization and efficiency, helping eliminate redundancy in costs from duplicate or unnecessary procedures. So guys, the thing is I want to share in front of you that through the artificial intelligence, we can easy to cure, easy to prevent, or easy to diagnose each and everything possible, and what will be the patient history, each and everything we can also execute are taken by the possible by the artificial intelligence. Is pharmacy ready for artificial intelligence? This is the question from the student side. We may be further along than we think. That means in pharmacy today, we already have an early form of artificial intelligence in place. It is called our pharmacy management system, housing patient, utilizing and drug data, as well as potentially identifying drug-related problems through clinical decision support screening. So simple is that I have previously discussed each and everything. So we are ready now. There have no issue. The next generation in pharmacy technology is the introduction of technology-based information expert system to identify timely drug-related problems based on patient data captured from the pharmacy system and other external data system. So consistent with workflow robotics, this would leave less of the work on the pharmacist to shoulder responsibility of identify serious drug related problem. In my view, artificial intelligence can strongly influence and shift out focus from the dispensing of medication towards providing a broader range of patient care service. So all these things like screening, history, data, diagnostics, supply chain, each and everything is executed here and correlated with this one. Patient care services also. Suppose sometime we need our what are the symptoms and each and all the things, so we can easy to get the knowledge from the internet also. So there have the data bank and we can easy to refer the data from that place. So consistent workflow robotics. This would leave less of the work on the pharmacist to shoulder responsibility of identifying serious drug related problem. So what will be the drug interaction and what will adverse drug reaction, as like we can say like pharmacovigilance system is also that's based on the computer system that is called artificial intelligence. So here in my view, artificial can strongly influence and shift our focus from the dispensing of medication toward providing a broader range of patient care services. We can leverage AI to help people get the most from their medicines and keep them healthier. Most importantly, artificial intelligence provides pharmacy an opportunity for more collaboration across many different entities, serving the same patient for the patient in addition to potentially better healthcare service offered by their professionals. Artificial intelligence may be a useful tool for providing guidance on how and where to obtain the most cost-effective healthcare and how best to communicate with healthcare professional, optimizing value of data from wearables, providing everyday lifestyle guidance, integrating diet and exercise, and support treatment compliance and adherence. So all these things, like what will be the our diet chart, we can say how to give the suggestion to the patient and how to communicate the people's, all these things we are just getting here. So drug discovery is not everyone cup of tea. So simple as that. Developing a new drug costs an average of nearly 2.6 billion and may take as long. So artificial will play a crucial role in this one. So these are the structure of the things: drug maker, life aside, patient satisfaction. So simple is that one by one, if I will take that physician, so unstructured data, so he can take the clinical decision support. So when he take the clinical decision, so he have getting the data from the system. So same thing, MRI, image, radio, except that means overall data we have taken from the patient, drug makers, CROs, laboratories, radiologists, researchers. So each and everything when execute it also it made on a particular data bank. So the physician refers to the data so easily he can. What AI can do, artificial intelligence is showing the potential to be a faster, more efficient way to find and develop new drugs. A growing number of organizations and universities are focusing to minimize the complexity involving in classical way of drug discovery by using artificial intelligence computing to envisage which drug candidates are most likely to be effective treatments. What if a software generates? That means simple is that I have this what if क्या यदि a software generate new molecular structure by combining properties of existing drug. Automatic chemical design helps drug discovery team jump to conclusion in a faster, accurate manner. A treatment method from the ground up using a deep learning neural network. So a system is to use historical, biological, and chemical data to imagine novel molecules with the potential to fight. Next time I will cover this drug discovery, all the data I will again present in front of you. So guys, thank you so much. So just one thing I want to discuss here. Many of the people are asking from me like how and artificial intelligence involved in the coronavirus, that means COVID-19. Simple is that through the for the diagnostic system RTR, RT-PCR, polymerase chain reaction. So each and everything is possible by the uh, that is artificial intelligence. Moreover, the chances that means the diagnostic kits and supply chain of the drugs, each and everything to the management of data, how much patient are reported, and each and every places through the location. There have the system like computer system is involved, that we can say like that is involvement of artificial intelligence. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your support. And one more thing, next time I will come in front of you with the data of the discovery. I will show each and everything. So here I have trying to show in front of you what is the meaning of artificial intelligence, and I hope all the pharmacy students they can easy to understand the artificial intelligence basically. So next time I will come artificial intelligence in the drug discovery, like each and everything I will show in front of you. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.